Hi, this is Bino. Today I wanted to talk about an experiment that I've been working on probably since about 2014. It's going to be on this Robinia ambigua. It's an Idaho locust. They can grow to be about 40 feet tall. And back in like 2014, it split in half. And actually, it's not a good tree to keep. It's pretty messed up. It's got rot all the way down on both sides. And also, it has movement at the base. So when it split in half, it had a codominant stem and one of the stems came off. After it split in half, about a year or so later, this small bud came out from underneath the bark. And also there was another one on this side right here. It was a latent bud, and because it was in shock, and then it started to just sprout out. So when that happened, a little bit later after that, I gave it a topping cut, just at the point where that sprout came out. And I've been working on it ever since, doing drop crotch pruning and trying to restore the canopy, trying to make it look kind of like a tree. Okay, so what I was going to do is work on drop crotch pruning. So in drop crotch pruning, what you're going to do is take off branches that are at least 1/2 to 1/3 the size of the branch that you're removing. So what I'm looking to do is reduce the length by drop crotch pruning. So here goes. I'm going to try to get rid of some of the weight. Okay. All right. So then see how what you're doing is bringing it down in size and not a blunt cut. A blunt cut is actually a heading cut. And what it does, if you do a heading cut, it actually causes a tree to grow a lot faster. So you see how this one's kind of growing upward, and then there's this smaller branch here. So what I'm going to do, oh no, that one looks dead. No, it looks green still. So I'm going to cut into this branch here, so it will take the energy of the large branch. Stand back. Okay. Here we go. So even though it's not too big of a branch, it does reduce the height of the tree and some of the canopy size. And so here, and this one is, what I do is take this one out here, and then I'm going to take it back to a smaller branch. Okay, so this isn't one of the better cuts, but what I'm going to do is just reduce the length. So this will make it a little bit smaller of a branch. Oops. All right. Now you see how this one grows really, really long here, and it takes a good section. So what I'm going to do is come to this one. It's kind of even breaking the rule, but we're going to keep this tree really short because of all the reasons that I talked about. Let's see here. Okay, cool. See this one, how it's going really kind of far? I'm going to bring it down. There you go. All right. Now this one right here, it's a pretty big branch here. And the other one's a lot smaller, so when I take this one out, it'll make it lighter. There it goes. Drop crotch this one here. See, the length is going away, and it's really not a blunt cut. Hang on. Oh, it cracked. Okay, see this one here? We'll take the length by that one right here, making that a little shorter. I'm just going to make almost like a heading cut to a small branch. Take the length off of this one. If you could see that. Yeah, see up on top here? So you can see it's more of a thinning cut, but it's reducing the weight. And then clean up some of the, dang, dude. I'll just take this one all the way out. Even down low here. Okay, now some of this interior growth to make it lighter. Let's see. Dude. Right here. Try to take some of the height down. And this center one over here, can you see this? So it's going up into the center of the tree here. So what I want to do is just reduce it so it's not going to take over. It has a lot of fast growth. So what I want to do is kind of suppress it. There we go. And then I'll take this to a little branch, like a nubbing cut. And I'll take this one out. It wants to go long. That's right here. So I've already gone and taken quite a few of the longer ones out, but I'm going to do a little bit more. So this branch here, it's kind of competing, so I'm going to reduce it a little bit right here. And also, I see the one above it. So I'm going to go over to this side and see this one right here. It's actually kind of long. It's not a topping cut, more of a thinning cut, but it's going straight up. So I kind of want to lose it. Let me see. And that little blunt cut right there that I left, take that out. All right. And this long guy right here, it's really going to go up and it's trying to compete for the top. All right. And this guy right over here. I've already reduced it, but I'm going to do it again. So my whole goal here is to try to keep this tree as short as I can. Like I said, it can grow to be about 40 feet. And like I said, it's an experiment. So it's not a tree that should stay here for very much longer. I just want to see how well I could do at keeping it short without mangling it. So what people would tend to do is do a heading cut. Now heading cuts aren't really all that great because in a heading cut, the tree really grows back a heck of a lot faster. So you can count on it being more like a bush and thicker head of the canopy would be a heck of a lot thicker. So what I've done is in doing it in this way, it's kind of keeping it a little bit thin. Plus I'm doing it a little bit more often. You can't really just cut it and then let it wait for 3 years. I'll see and I'll make a cut way up here on the top, kind of, there you go. I can't get that little guy. That one. and one more on top. And then maybe I'll call this about done. And then, let's see here. I really didn't take a whole heck of a lot. I was more concentrating on just keeping it like short in the length a little bit and getting some of the weight out of it. Let's see. So if you could go back a little and have a peek at the whole entire tree and see if it still looks like a tree. Well, not too bad for a tree that should be removed. It was split in half and I pretty much topped it. It still kind of looks like a tree. So that was a really short video on drop crotch pruning and my idea of drop crotch pruning and a little bit of crown restoration. In drop crotch pruning, what you're trying to do is trick the tree not to grow quickly. It's a lot better than doing a heading cut. A heading cut will cause a tree to really grow a lot of green. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video. I have an Instagram, Bino H Climbing. Check it out. Hope you guys like it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.